Where you want it, you tighten it a little bit. Oh, this way. I just fucking chipped it. Fuck. Okay, so are you still rolling?
Yep.
So the really beautiful thing about Ebike is that they come with touch-up paint. Clearly this is our demo now, just fine, but they come up with touch-up paint. I am not using the tool that they came with. I would just let you know. They come with a proper toolkit, and I decided to use this. This is from like Princess Auto. Brega. Anyways, that's okay. So this is what you get with all of your Ebikes. You get a manual. You get the manual for the Speedo. You get the proper tool, although you could drop that too. Touch-up paint. And of course your charger's in there. So I'm gonna touch this up. Give it a good shake. Darren will smooth this out for me, but you give it a good shake. This is important too, because you want to seal that, right? Oh, Jolene didn't do a very good job of that either. So I'm gonna actually not touch that. I am gonna touch it. Oh, nice. What else am I gonna do? I'm gonna see if I can, it's like how to touch up your bike. Not bad. I'm just gonna go wipe that off and boom. Bike's not chipped anymore.